Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to create poll in WhatsApp. Friends, on some matter, if you want to know opinion of your WhatsApp group members, then you can very easily know it by creating a poll. So to create a poll, you simply need to open WhatsApp app. Now in WhatsApp, open the group. Now here to create a poll, you simply need to press on this attachment icon. Now here press on poll. Now after entering question, give some options. I am giving two options, yes or no. Now from here you can disallow multiple answers. Now press on send to send it in the group. Now we have successfully created a poll. Now any member in this group can give their opinion by pressing on yes or no. So friends, like this you can very easily create a poll in WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.